Bing, 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 bing. God, this shit's boring. How do they need to send the trains up over the top? Or the cars... Yeah, we know you're coming. Or the cars up over the top. Not this fucking level crossing bullshit. Not only does it fuck with traffic, it's dangerous. I mean, it's pretty hard to get killed by a train moving at that speed, unless you really wanted to, but... Fucking people get killed at level crossings all the time, because... Well, you know, a lot of people point to Darwin, but Darwin didn't say anything about that, but... Holy crap, could it go any slower? That's only 3 codes too. But yeah, level crossings, bullshit. That's all I talk about, bullshit. I point out bullshit, I talk bullshit. That's all I got. Jeez, could it go any fucking slower? Hooray! You guys with your fucking tall fucking shit. Oh. Oh. Nah, he'll never catch me, so it doesn't matter. Level crossings are bullshit.